I really don't want to get my head under the water because the Mississippi River is really not that clean of a river. So I don't mind going in it, but I don't really want to get that water in my mouth or in my ears or anything like that, because that'll be kind of gross. So, hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout, and I am back with another video. Now today we are on the river, got the pontoon out, and I have my Traxxas Slash 4x4 out. And got a GoPro mounted on it, and I'm just gonna send it. Alright guys, so just like I said, we are out here on the Mississippi River. We're here at like a little bit of a sandbar right now, and basically have it all to ourselves right now. It's perfect weather out. It's probably like 80, 85 degrees out. 85 probably. It's warm. The sand's kind of hard packed, but still nice. And I have got my Traxxas Slash 4x4 out. This one is now running the, let's see if I can get it on camera. This is running that Surpass. I think it's called Surpass. Surpass Hobby motor, which is a 30, it says 35, 36, 65 kV motor, not sure exactly. Ready, set, go. Oh! And the camera's all messed up. Let's bring it back. Oh, water. Oh, through it. Whoa. Oh, that's deeper than I thought. Oh no, the dog's loose. Go! Run! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! That battery better not die. Oh no! The dog is still after it, guys. Watch out! Ooh. This dog loves chasing the RC car. Uh-oh! I'm gonna turn the GoPro on while she's chasing it. Get a little bit of GoPro action, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! Oh, I gotta straighten out, guys. The GoPro fell off a little bit. 1, 2, 3. It is pretty beautiful out here today, guys. We got a beautiful day out here on the river. Like I said, we're out on this little sandbar. We have it completely to ourselves. We're completely secluded out here. And they're swimming with the dog in the river. All right, guys. Ready, get set, go! This thing, these Badlands hook up in the sand. This is pretty hard packed sand though. So my feet are completely white. You can see I normally have shoes and socks on. I don't normally roam around with no shoes on. Here we go, coming back, guys. This thing, I mean, this thing feels like it has a ton of power. Oh, see, flipped it over and landed it, guys. Oh, that was a nasty crash. Let's go over and get it. Look at all the dirt and crap. Oh no, that says my SD card's full. What? Oh, chasing the dog. Oh no, she's chasing it. We've had the dog chasing the RCs in the yard, but never out here on a beach. This is pretty freaking awesome. Oh, landed it though. I need to bring it back and straighten up that camera. Watch out, Sahara. Oh no. Oh no, did I lose drive? Please tell me I didn't. Oh guys, we broke a drive shaft. Oh. You know what, we can still keep on going. I was wondering why I was going so slow. We broke a drive shaft. No, 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 no. We just have front wheel drive, guys. Oh. These plastic drive shafts, what are you gonna do? And it's dead. All right guys, so like I said, I ended up breaking a drive shaft. These plastic drive shafts, they always break. That always happens with these. Bummer, but I'm gonna clean it off in the water. I'm pretty sure my GoPro 5 is waterproof. All clean. That's a perfect way to clean stuff up, guys. All right, guys, what do you think? One more rip? One more rip with this. It is missing the rear drive shaft. It did break, but we still have another battery to run, so I figure why not run it? We got front wheel drive. Which is not great. It's hard to get that power to the ground with the front wheel drive. That's why front wheel drive RC cars just don't work. That's why they don't have them. Front wheel drive launch. If the front tires didn't balloon, actually a front wheel drive car could possibly work. It obviously still wouldn't get that traction to the ground, but it's because those front tires balloon so much. That's why it won't accelerate. Look at that. Front wheel drive action right there, guys. Oh, that front wheel drive's not getting any. Can we make it across that? No. That front wheel drive, we can't make it up that. That dog's gonna come running real quick, I bet. You see that RC car? You see it? You good girl? Definitely not getting that traction to the ground. There's birds over here. Gaining a little bit of speed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. Also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more stuff like this in the future. Later, guys. Well, let's keep on going. no, guys, we broke another drive shaft. So we have 2 drive shafts down. That is a bummer. I guess we're done because this thing's really not going to move on its own now. Watch.